In 2015, DJI alone broke new ground in sensory systems and intelligence. Now, those advancements have been united with our newest quadcopter, the Phantom 4. A new sensory network is at the heart of the Phantom 4's obstacle avoidance system. A pair of front-facing cameras see and detect obstacles as far as 50 feet away, while downward-facing cameras capture optical and sonar data. All of this data is sent to the flight controller, the brain of the Phantom. At the same time, a hardware redundancy system isolates incorrect data and invalidates it. Dual IMUs measure inertia, and a barometer measures altitude via air density, while an enhanced GPS module allows for connectivity to 36 satellite signals. The flight controller sends all of this information to 4 motors, which make intricate, coordinated adjustments in mid-air. This obstacle avoidance system takes the fear out of flight. The Phantom 4 sets a new standard in quadcopter intelligence and has quickly become the most forward-thinking and advanced Phantom ever made.